Live like a warrior. If you want to learn self-defense, then watch this video, because in this video we'll teach you if someone puts a knife on your neck, then how to defend yourself. Watch the full video if you want to learn and do the perfectly technique. So don't miss any part of this video. So let's start. Guys, in this position, if someone holds a knife to your neck and tells you to take out your wallet or demands something from you, then here are two movements that you should absolutely not to do. Number one, don't push your neck forward for any technique, because this is dangerous for you. Your neck can be cut. Number two, don't move your neck left or right, because this movement is also dangerous for you. Here you have only one option. First of all, protect your neck from the knife cut, and then quickly handle your opponent. If he will be free, he can attack you with the knife. So now we will show you the technique. First of all, step number one, first you save your neck and keep your neck back like this position. Watch again, don't any other movement, just keep your neck back without any movement like this. And then you will do with this movement, quickly hold his wrist like this position. This is step number one. Now step number two, you will grab his wrist with your both hands. Now kick on his weak point, again kick on his shoulder. Now twist his arm like this way and twist more and more. You can see when you twist his arm more than more, he can't do any movement and can't do anything here, because he is fully under of your control. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side angle. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast motion. And if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends and press the bell icon. Thank you.